So, adaptation. We've talked about transparency, we've talked about inspection, and now we're on adaptation as a pillar of Scrum. Now, if any aspects of a process deviate outside acceptable limits, or if the resulting product is unacceptable, the process being applied or the materials being produced must be adjusted. The adjustment must be made as soon as possible to minimize further deviation. Adaptation, therefore, is the conditioning of our product as is to meet with what we promised to deliver. So, testing, checking, conforming what we have created to meet with deliverables is what we term adaptation. Now, adaptation becomes more difficult when people involved are not empowered or self managing. Now, a self managing team is a team that knows what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. They are competent enough to know exactly what it is that they intend to do. A Scrum team is expected to adapt the moment it learns anything new through inspection. So, we do not wait for long bureaucratic permissions to adapt our new discoveries. The moment we discover that there is need for implementation, we implement. Hence, we need a self managing or self organizing or self governing team. Adaptation in this context is about continuous improvement, the ability to adapt based on the results of the inspection. Everyone in the organization must ask this question regularly. Are we better off than yesterday? Now, for profit-based organizations, the value is represented in terms of profit. Are we making more profit than yesterday? So adaptations are captured in the questions we ask in trying to gauge the conformity of our product as it is to what is the stated deliverables. Now, you will see that those stated deliverables are captured in a term referred to as the definition of done. I'll recall and bring our minds to where we have started from. We have talked about the three pillars of Scrum, and I said by virtue of recall, we use the acronym AIT: adaptation, inspection, and transparency. But in order of occurrence or relevance, you begin with transparency, where all the developers or the people who are delivering value in Scrum are making sure that their work is visible to every stakeholder so that every stakeholder might have a say. Then we talk about inspection. If the work is not visible to people, people cannot inspect it. So inspection is the process whereby we now check to see that what is promised is what is being created, or better still, that the processes we have adopted to our end goal will lead to